Hi, I'm Alex Okunka. I am currently living in Nigeria. I am Australian/New Zealand born, and I am in Nigeria currently working on a project that is very dear to my heart, Xanders Water. So what it is Nigeria is the largest African country, and Nigeria only has access to 21% of clean water. When I say clean water, I mean without feces, without E. coli, just to name some of the stuff. So what we're doing is we started an NFT, which is going to crowdfund a water factory there in Abuja, Nigeria. So what we're doing is we're giving back to the community. 15% of our turnover will be given to the investors, and then the rest of it will go towards our charity ventures. So what we're doing is we believe in empowering a woman, you empower a nation. I mean, without women, we don't have doctors, we don't have politicians, we don't have teachers, So when we say empowering a woman, you really understand what we mean. So what we're doing is we're taking women in Nigeria off the streets from being prostitutes, widows, single mums, and we're giving them accommodation. We're giving them a job that offers above the Nigerian wage. We're giving them 3 meals a day, and we're giving them stable income as well as teaching them about financial literacy. That's just one side of what we're doing. We also have a philosophy of feeding children. Like in our community, we have kids that go without meals for 2 to 3 days. So what we're doing is we're opening a breakfast club for 5 kilometres within our factory. Every primary school student will get a meal every day, 1 meal breakfast. They'll come to school early. They'll come and have their breakfast, and then they're right to start the day and learn how to become awesome humans. And then what we're also doing is we've got clean water. We've got clean water that comes through our reverse osmosis system. So what we're doing is we're getting 200 or 300 bags of water and giving them to our local orphanages as well, so that they can have, all the babies, all the orphans can have clean water as well. So what happened? What am I asking? So what it is Xanders is a crowdfunding program. What we need is we've got 240 NFTs ranging from $300 all the way up to $6,000. There's only 240 and we've only got 100 and something left. So what we're doing is by people investing and buying an NFT, they get the potential of 36 incomes. So when I say 36 incomes, there's 36 states in Nigeria, and what we're doing is this is the first factory in Nigeria. It's going to be in Abuja, and it's going to, from there we're going to do one in Lagos, in Delta. From there, all 36 states will have one water factory minimum. So that's what we say when you have potential of 36 ways of passive income, and that's through our NFT. So we don't just plan on having them in Nigeria, we plan on having Ghana, Kenya, Ethiopia, all of the third world countries, India, you name it. Over 10 years we want to have over 300 factories. So that's potential 300 different incomes for a one-time investment. So that's what we here at Xanders Water. We are all about empowering women and about giving back to the poorer communities. Thank you so much for listening.